Okay, hello. So I'm doing my first video on Ko-fi. It was pretty cool because I got quite a few contributions for Ko-fi. So thanks to everyone who has supported me in this. This actually came as a surprise. I did this for, like, as I said in the previous video, like the introduction video, it's for family and my personal enjoyment of doing open source. But it's really nice to see that other people appreciate it as well. So I thought these videos could be like what I've been doing, which I hope is interesting to you. So what I've done this week is, as I said in the introduction, I'm only doing 2 days like freelancing, and I'm working on a project currently where I'm going to build a chat-like application. Where I'm using Firebase, because I've been using that previously and it's real time and it worked. Like the Hello World example of Firebase is actually a chat application. And it's super simple. Well, it's not super simple, but you have like SMS login and stuff like that, which will be really helpful because this is going to work on mobile. But I've also been working on some other projects. So as we can see here, I'm working on this state management solution called Overmind. It's been in the works for over 6 months, and I'm working on it with other people as well. But I have a tendency to like obsess and dive into the code. So I could certainly be better at bringing people in, ask people to contribute and stuff, but I'm just so engaged in it. But what's really nice now is that I'm using it for this new project, and I'm also using it for this other project I'm going to show you. And it's really nice to see something you've been building for some time, like a tool, and then see how helpful that tool can be in real life. So I'm not going to talk a lot about this, but the promise here is that web application development is about defining, changing, and consuming state to produce a user experience. Overmind aims for a developer experience where that is all you focus on, reducing the orchestration of state management to a minimum, making you a happier and more productive developer. So I did work on a project called Cerebral, where I got into state management. But it was a bit more experimental. I didn't have that much experience with state management. And I also did that with a lot of other people, and we tried different things. Well, this project is like a summary of everything I've learned and looking at the actual frustrations in the community. Where does state management become frustrating? And trying to solve those things. So it's actually like more of a product where I actually do things based on facts and feedback instead of my own ideas. So I'm super happy about that, and it will be released by the end of the month. And then we have this other project that just came to mind because I've been firing up some new projects now, and it's really annoying because I want my linting, I want prettier, I want my VS Code to work a certain way. And of course, I want some other packages, like I like to use React with Emotion.js, which is a CSS solution. And it's really nice to just be able to set up that project. And then I started thinking about all these boilerplate tools like create React app, create Angular app, create Vue app. And you also have these other Yeoman and stuff. And I think these solutions you opt in too much. You have to download a tool. You have to you have a hard time breaking out of the opinions and stuff like that. So what I thought is, what if you could just go to a website and you can create a boilerplate and you can create files like a package.json file, linting files, and all the files you want to be part of your boilerplate. And then you could just put it wherever you wanted. You didn't need any tools, because as we can see here, to actually fire up a boilerplate on your machine, you use npx, and npx is the npm package executor. So this, if you have Node installed, you have npx. So the way it works is you say npx board project, you point to your GitHub username and the name of your boilerplate, and then it just works. And I think this is really nice because it's instead of being this solution for everyone, it's more about what you need personally. But of course, anyone can point to this boilerplate, and I want to implement like forking and stuff like that. So, but the point is, if you change machine, or you want to show it on a different machine, or you're on a machine and you want to change something, like it's always available. It's more, I think it's more future, like conceptually more future-proof, because it's cloud-based and you don't have to install anything locally and stuff like that. So I'm kind of excited about this. I'm still waiting for the SSL certificate to work. It's supposed to work after 12 hours, but yeah, so I sent a Firebase issue for this. But yeah, that's what I've been doing. And today I'm working on this chat application again. Heading down to WorkWork. If you don't know WorkWork, it's like a co-working, is it com? WorkWork.com? Let's see. Oh, no. WorkWork Trondheim. I just want to show you the site. Play hard, work. And WorkWork is kind of funny because it points to Warcraft. Like you have the peons, like work. But it's a co-working space where you have like a bar and a corner for playing video games, and there are tons of board games and flipper. Is it called flipper game? No. What's it called? You know, I don't remember the name of those. They have those in the basement. Flipper? Yeah, I don't know. And it's super awesome. So I'm going down there after I'm done uploading this video, and we'll see what the day brings. And I hope this was okay. And if you want to give me some feedback on this, please do. And I can do more stuff, create some more videos. But yeah, talk to you later.